Hey, what's up? This is the next video about UMIDIGI A5 Pro, and today we will talk about performance of this mobile device. If you missed, yesterday we published unboxing and first review. You can watch this video by the link in description. UMIDIGI A5 Pro is a budget phone with price tag of $100. However, it has very nice design, triple camera and big battery. What about performance? Let's look at benchmarks, results and play some games. UMIDIGI A5 Pro is powered by Helio P23 chipset. This is entry-level processor, but it provides pretty good performance. Also, the phone has 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory with microSD support. As usual, we want to start the performance test with AnTuTu. This is the most popular benchmark, and many people evaluate the performance of mobile devices by the numbers in AnTuTu. As you can see, UMIDIGI A5 Pro has almost 83,000 points. GeekBench 4 shows 826 points in single-core test and 3527 points in multi-core test. Also, I want to start the remark. The overall score in benchmark is 6892 points. UMIDIGI A5 Pro doesn't have problems with GPS, memory and Wi-Fi speed. Everything is fine. So far, I'm very pleased with performance of this phone, but let's play some games. The first game I want to play is Asphalt 9. This is a demanding game, but budget phone may have problems with it. If the previous phone on our test, Blackview A60 Pro, was very laggy in this game, then UMIDIGI A5 Pro does quite well. Of course, it is not perfect, but you can comfortably play it. The next game is PUBG Mobile. As you can see, the maximum graphics is HD, but the frame rate is high. Let's try to play on these settings. The game runs pretty well. However, from time to time you can see that FPS drops. Maybe it is better to choose medium or low FPS in settings menu. Anyway, you can play PUBG Mobile on UMIDIGI A5 Pro, and this is great. The last game for today is Shadowgun Legends. This is my favorite game, but also it is the most demanding Android game that I know. If you know another game with amazing graphics, please write in comments below. As you can see, the phone is a little laggy when you shoot. However, it's possible to play the game on UMIDIGI A5 Pro. I'm really surprised by UMIDIGI A5 Pro. This phone has very good performance for budget phone. I want to recall that the price is only $99. You can play any games on this phone. However, most likely you will need to choose medium or low graphics. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.